introduce ourselves. My name is Nora Ekarama Aulia. My absent is 27.
My name is Eva Duyanti, number 30.
I'm Yulfikar Galakatismi, number 11.
And I'm Rayhan Zidan Ramadan, number 30.
So let's get started.
On the first, in my opinion, the advancement of technology helps students with their learning. For example, is Google Classroom. Google Classroom has transformed traditional teaching into an efficient, accessible, and collaborative learning experience. Rather than replacing the teacher's role, the platform serves to facilitate the learning process for both teachers and students. Based on database, more than 150 million students and educators worldwide rely on Google Classroom to support online learning environment. Therefore, it can be concluded that technology will yield positive impact if used wisely.
Do social media help students learn effectively? Yes, because with social media platforms, students can learn what they personally need to learn. Not like in the classroom that maybe some of students doesn't need that material or they have done that material before. Based on social learning theory by Albert Bandura, people learning by seeing something, imitate something, and interaction with someone. That process needs attention, retention, repetition, and motivation. Social media include all of that. The Education Week Research Center has done a survey about social media impact with 1,056 students as example. The statistics show that 71% of students think that social media has positive impact of their personal learning. But experts say that students has to use social media in productive and healthy way.
Do social media platform help students learn effectively? No, because it disrupts the superficiality of interaction. Although social media facilitates communication, it can sometimes be superficial or limited by its very nature. Online exchange can lack the depth and characteristic face-to-face interaction which could affect interpersonal relationships. Statistic in general, Person Research Journal in Indonesia indicates that the influence of mobile phone on change in social interaction range for 40% to over 60%, depending on the intensity of device usage. Journal characterized by Retali, Tricahyo, Dwi Susilo, and Sabto Iriawan. In the original manuscript published by Skolaria Jurnal Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan, this studi utilises a simple or 42 adolescents using the total sampling method. The result of the simple linear regression analysis showed a significant value of 0.022 with the smartphone variable exerting a 50% influence on change in social interaction.
Okay, in my opinion, social media platform doesn't help students learn effectively because it brings security and privacy risks. Even though social media has helped students for schoolwork, but it also brings dangerous threats online because privacy settings are weak, so students can easily get bullied or online or their personal data leaked. For example, students often post their personal information or daily schedules on Instagram or TikTok. This bad habit makes it easy for strangers to track or stalk them online. From the statistics, according to a research report by the Pew Research Center 2022, about 46% of teenagers aged 13 to 17 had experienced cyberbullying. The data showed that 32% got bad name calling and 22% had fake rumors spread about them online, which makes students mental health and lose focus at school. And last is foundation. As digital safety experts say, online space directly damage their school grades and emotional mental. I think that's enough from us. Thank you.